Okay, series 2, prehistoric period. The earliest research of human existence in India so far discovered is between 4 lakh and 2 lakh BC from Sohan Valley, now in Pakistan. Neolithic settlement in the Indian subcontinent are not older than 4000 BC. Wheat and barley were the first cereals grown by Indians. The name India was derived from the river named Sindhu, which is also known as Indus. India was originally considered as a part of a larger area called Jambudvip, the continent of Jambu tree. The Krita, Treta, Dwapar and Kali are the 4 ages of traditional Hindu thought. Paleolithic period, Old Stone Age, divided on the basis of tools used by humans for hunting and according to the climate condition. Most of the period of the Old Stone Age was of Ice Age. Early lower Paleolithic 5 लाख BC to 50,000 BC. Middle Paleolithic 50,000 BC to 40,000 BC. New Upper Paleolithic 40,000 BC to 10,000 BC. Limestone and bones were used to make tools. Chief occupation hunters and food gatherers. Sites Bhimketa in Madhya Pradesh, Belan Valley in Mirzapur UP, Rajasthan, Gujarat. Mesolithic period, Middle Stone Age. The Paleolithic age came to an end after the Ice Age around 9000 BC. The climate became warmer and more humid. Rainfall increased and so more availability of flora and fauna. Domestication of animals and plants were seen for the first time. First animal to domesticated was the wild ancestor of the dog. Sheep and goats were the most common domesticated animals. Hunting and food gathering continued. First human colonization of the Ganga plains. Tools used, limestone and bones were used to make tools, but a smaller size called microliths also used. Occupation, hunters and food gatherers. Site, Brahmagiri, Mysore, Narmada, Vindhyas, Gujarat, UP, Bhimbetka and Godavari basin. New Stone Age, starting of agriculture, moving from nomadic to settled life. We discovered ragi, wheat and gram were cultivated. Hay new to make fire. Pottery appeared for the first time for purpose of grain storage and cooking. Use of polished stone and weapons made of bones, horns of animal. Also saw first international disposal of the dead. Tools used, stone and handle. Occupation, hunter and food gatherers and agriculture. Agriculture was added at the stage of New Stone Age. These distinct sites of Neolithic settlement of India are Western Himalaya, Eastern Himalaya and South India. Sites Inamgaon, Burjahom, Kashmir, Mehergarh, Pakistan is the oldest Neolithic site in India, and Davojal, Harding, Tripura and Assam, Hallur, Karnataka and Payampalli, Tamil Nadu, Chirhand, Bihar. Chalcolithic period, Copper Age, Bronze Age, 4000 BC to 1500 BC, use of metal, copper and stone simultaneously. The end of Neolithic period saw the use of metals, of which copper was the first, and a culture based on the use of stone and copper arrived. The Chalcolithic period was the transition between Stone Age and Metal Age. This was the period in which stone tools were losing their significance and copper tools were finding grounds. The new technology of smelting metals, one ore and crafting metals artifact is an important development in human civilization. Unlike the Stone Age, which grew grew in mountains and hilly area, Chalcolithic culture had grown in river valleys. Important Chalcolithic culture, Ahar culture 2800 से 1500 BC, कायाथा कल्चर 2450 to 700 BC, मालवा कल्चर 1900 से 1400 BC एंड सावाल्दा कल्चर 2300 से 2000 BC एंड जॉर्वे कल्चर 1500 से 900 BC एंड प्रवास कल्चर 2000 से 1400 BC एंड रंगपुर कल्चर 1700 से 1400 BC. नेक्स्ट केम इनरो आयरन एज 1500 BC to 200 BC, अराइवल ऑफ द आर्यंस, Vedic period, Jainism, Buddhism, Mahajanpad, the first major civilization on the bank of the river Ganga after the Indus Valley. Gulf of Kambat culture, the Gulf of Kambat culture, which was discovered recently from the Bay of Kambat in Gujarat, dates back to 7500 BC. This was found out by the National Institute of Open Technology, NIOT. This is the second series. Okay.